Oh no! Tom and Jerry are trapped inside the alphabet book. To escape, they must explore
A is for apple. A-O-B.
B is for balloon. C is for cake. D is for drum. E is for elephant. F is for flower.
G is for guitar.
H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jelly. K is for Keat. L is for lemon. M is for moon. N is for nest. O is for ocean. P is for piano. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for sun.
T is for train.
U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Umbrella.
V is for violin.
W is for water. Water. W water.
X is for xylophone. Y is for...
Z is for zoo.